Here's how to write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form. And we're going to take a look at two different examples that give you different pieces of information. The first one says write the equation of the line that has a slope of 2/3 that passes through the point 9, 4. Recall that slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. So the first thing I'd like to do is identify what I have here. So my slope is 2/3. And I don't know what my b is. I don't know what my y-intercept is. So that's what I actually need to find. So for x and y, I'm going to use the coordinates of the ordered pair that I'm given. So my x is 9, and my y is 4. So let's plug those into this equation here. So y is 4, my slope is 2/3, and my x is 9, and I need to find my b. Now let's solve that equation for b. So 4 equals 2/3 times 9 is 6, plus b, and subtracting 6 from both sides, b is equal to a -2. Now I'm going to plug that back into y equals mx plus b and get my final answer of y equals 2/3, because that's my slope, x minus 2, because that's my y-intercept. Let's take a look at a second example where we're not given the slope, but we're given 2 points. And this says write the equation of the line that passes through the points -3, -4, and -2, -8. Since I'm not given the slope, that's the first thing I'd like to do is to find the slope. And recall the slope formula is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that's -8 minus a -4 over -2 minus a -3. And that gives me -4 over 1, or a slope of -4. Now now that I have my slope, I'm going to use the same procedure that I did in the previous example, and it doesn't matter which ordered pair I use. I'm going to end up with the same y-intercept. So I think I'll use the first one, where x is -3 and y is -4. So plugging that into y equals mx plus b, -4, that's my y, equals -4, that's my m, times x, which is -3, plus b. And solving for b, -4 equals 12 plus b, and subtracting 12 from both sides, b is equal to -16. And now I will plug back into the equation -4 for m and 16 for b. So my final answer is y equals -4x minus 16.